Hey guys, it's Frank from Bangin Gears, the YouTube channel about everything automotive. Tonight, as you can tell from the beautiful Ferris wheel behind me, we are back in Ocean City, Maryland for Crusin Ocean City Endless Summer. We're going to be dropping videos every day for the next 4 days like we normally do. A video Thursday morning, Friday morning, Saturday morning, and Sunday morning. Don't forget that Sunday morning video. And we'll be doing giveaways as well. Tonight's giveaway is going to be a Bangin Gears baseball cap and Bangin Gears COVID mask. So all you need to do is subscribe to Bangin Gears on YouTube, like and comment on this video, and then put you in the running to win the gear. We're going to make an announcement video with all the winners in about a week when we get back home. So sit back, relax, enjoy tonight's video, and we'll catch you tomorrow on Bangin Gears.
So close, can't deny. Shut my eyes, love is blind. I don't need you to know all the way down in the hole. You push me out of control when the lights are out. You're mine. I fell out of my mind. Got too close, can't deny.